Hey everybody, Crafting Journey here. Welcome, welcome. I have Diamond Art Club. Yep, I have a Diamond Art Club. And I ordered it on Saturday during their, I got the message came across my screen. They now know how to text message me. There's no quicker way to get my attention than to text message me, because it just, boom, it's right there in your face. If you happen to be on your phone or your tablet, I'm usually on my tablet. I'm on one or the other. So what do we have? I don't know. Yes, I do. I do know. We have another box within a box. Very well protected canvas from Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle, and it's a square diamond painting. How do we know? Because it's blue and it's square. I like that. You also got the steps to diamond painting on the back. You can scan to get a discount off your next purchase, 10% I believe. And it also shows you on the front what you've ordered, but I'm not going to show you. No, that would spoil the fun. I was hoping this was square. I've been doing a lot of square lately, and I'm okay with that. I'm so used to it now. I gotta, if I ever get a round painting, I'll be so tickled. Well, that's not true. Those 3 paintings I just got from TSA. They're all round. I love TSA rounds. But right now we're talking about Diamond Art Club squares. And I'm doing a Diamond Art Club now that is square and having minimal trash, with the exception of the 310. So, but that's kind of not outside the norm for the industry right now. 310, the darker colors tend to not be good from any company, but I bet you there's not a lot of 310 in this painting. How much you want to bet? So we have got, they give you a little sticker to put on the end of your box, because a lot of people stack them. So you put the sticker on the end of your box. I'm still not showing you the picture. And then you can just look at the end of the box and go, oh, yes, I know what's in there, instead of having to pull it out. Yes. Y'all saw it. That's okay. Toolkit. All right, so we're going to get a square toolkit. I am sure it's probably no different than the norm. Well, let's check it out. All right, a boat with a funnel. Yay. 2 pieces of heart wax, a squishy to go around your little blue pen. Some of these these baggies that will never see the light of day. I don't use those baggies, especially these. They're pretty flimsy. What's the problem? Oh, it is his dinner time. How dare I film during his dinner time? And the squares drill come with pointed tweezers. You are not going to do that for the next 10 minutes. No, 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 stop. That's my co-host, Jake. So, yes, nice toolkit. I thought they had, yes, it comes with a thin 4-placer, which that is awesome. You know, thin 4-placers are my go-to. Now, do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club, so they've got this branded bag that they put their canvas in. put that over there. I did not see. Oh, it's in there. It's in there. It don't want to come out. The inventory sheet. It's in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm struggling. Help. Oh, I'm going to have to open the other side of the box. It does not want to come out. Okay, we have an inventory sheet. All right, I'll show you what I got because I'm a nice person. I don't want to keep you in suspense for so long. Most of you know what I got anyway. I got Alice in a bottle. Look how cute she is. And the bottle says, drink me. Now this is a partial, but look, still 28 colors with, up here you see, 2 ABs, yellow and white. Very pretty. So I may not have to order another gosh darn thing because I think I know exactly where those 2 yellow ABs go. And it was where I would have put them. So I'm actually thrilled that, you know, people said, did you know it was a partial? No, didn't know it was partial, but I'm okay with that because it'll go very quickly. Stop it. I will feed you, I promise. It also comes with these step-by-step instructions on how to diamond paint. A thank you from Angie, the owner, and tips and tricks on how to diamond paint, and a discount. 10% off your next purchase. Thank you, 10. Hey, stop. I know, it's dinner time. Oh my God. Never film an unboxing during Jake's dinner time. Here are the drills. Let's look at the canvas. It is a partial, so look how much, look at all that space. I do not have to diamond paint. Yay! Oh, isn't she pretty? So I am just diamond painting the bottle and the butterflies around the top of the bottle. Now, I was sort of hoping that this rope here would be an AB. It is not. It is not. My hat is coming off. Oh my God, the dog is barking. The hat's coming off. What is happening? Well, where are the ABs? Okay. Number 2, the white ABs are her dress. Now, I kind of thought it would be up here. It's not. And number 1 is in her hair. Let's find the ABs and let's take a look. I'm going to turn this over. It is self-flattening, so if you just leave it, it will flatten out. It is a tourmaline canvas that is patented by Diamond Art Club. It is got beveled edges to prevent fraying. That's what you're seeing here, the beveled edge to prevent fraying of the canvas. And you just leave it flat like that for a few minutes, and then when we turn it over, it will be nice and flat. So here are our 28 colors, lots of blue. So we've got seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shades of blue. We're going to start over with the drills because I had to stop everything and feed the dog. He was working himself into a frenzy. So here are the blue colors. Let's march them by here. 796, 98, 97. Just all different shades of blue. 820. There's a couple bags of that. There is 823, 3325, and 3755. Look at the drills. Very nice, flat, squares. If my camera will focus, there we go. Yeah, I like that. Now let's look at all the different colors. Of course there is pink. That is, what color is that? 600. I'm holding it upside down. 600, which does come off quite a bit pink. 30, 51, there's 210, some lavenders. Oh, more blue. We're not done with the blue, more blue. And there, right there, there's our white. All right, our, is that the yellow AB? No, wait a minute, hold on. Okay, oh, this is 939 there. I thought it was the 310, but it is 939. More blue, yellow, more blue. Okay, there is the yellow AB, 129, which, like I said, is going in her hair. There is all of the 310. 351. More blue, more yellow, more blue. There's the white AB right here. That's going to be her dress. And some orange. And this is that 775 at the end. So I'm curious. Let us look at the canvas now that it's had a chance to lay flat. And let's look at the colors. So we have said that the AB, the yellow AB, is on the top of her hair. The white of her, you know, the front part of her, it's kind of like a bib that she wears almost with a little bow, white bow, is the white AB. I was sort of hoping that this tag around the bottle would be ABs. Not to worry. For my other Alice in Wonderland painting, I just ordered a gold AB. Now this one calls for 832. Let's see if we can find that. I don't think it's a blue. Huh. Huh. I'm not, is that it? Oh, oh yeah, we're definitely changing that. This is the color that they want me to put on in the bottle here. This 832 around the neck of the bottle. I'm gonna say nah. And then the words "drink me" are all in this ugly color. So we're going to swap that out for a gold DP. I'm going to go on DP with sparklers. I'm going to get a gold sparklers for square, and that's what we're going to put in there. Now right around it is 165, this super soft yellow. That kind of is within the bottle, which that makes no sense either. And then P, which is yeah, I don't like the colors of this bottle. I think I'm going to be switching a lot of that out. So the 775, which you see a lot of times in snow, this right here is also in the bottle. But then this P part here, which also extends all the way down to here, and then all the way over here. What is that? 33, 25. Okay, that's this blue. This lighter blue is inside of the bottle as well, or actually towards the outside of the, it's in the bottle. It's just kind of weird. Huh. So that And, that and, what's the other color? This. All right, these three colors are in the bottle. These three here. Yeah. These I don't mind, but this is going to go. We're going to replace gold, and then these two will be okay. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. And everything else is fine. Then you've got the red of her lips, which you never know what I'm going to do with that. That's that 600, I'm sure. Yeah, that's 600 that you have right there. I'm sure that's just fine for her lips. So cute. Alice, you're adorable. And we could do that in no time. So all of the rest of this part here, it's just regular canvas. It's not sticky or anything. It's just a partial. It's just a bottle that's sticky. It's poured glue. So the entire, length by width of this is it going to tell us? Because it's a partial. 41 by 56. It is called Alice in a Bottle by Safina Art. But look, oh, I want to kit it up and do it now. So this will be next up on the list, guys. Alice in the Bottle. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning show. Bye, everybody.